Picture this. You've had a marathon of a day, and as you finally make your way home, you're greeted by a road that seems to have transformed into an impromptu obstacle course. Meanwhile, just a stone's throw away, the neighboring road is practically begging you to roller skate your way home. If you're nodding in agreement, let's dive into why your street might just be the unfortunate underdog in this maintenance saga. Let's rewind to January 1st, 1964, a significant date in the annals of the Fairbanks North Star Borough, when it officially earned its stripes as a second-class borough. In simpler terms, this classification implies that it lacks the authority to implement blanket taxes for road maintenance. Enter the concept of service areas, designated geographical pockets within the borough, where residents have given the green light for tax levies earmarked specifically for road upkeep. Presently, there exist 105 such service areas, excluding fire service areas, within the Fairbanks North Star Borough. If your residence falls outside these service boundaries, city limits, or does not lie along a state-maintained road, the formal maintenance mechanisms will not extend to your area. Now, you may rightfully inquire, but I contribute my share of taxes too. Where's my slice of road maintenance? Here's the crux. If your property isn't encompassed within a service area, the road maintenance taxes might not be making a stop at your doorstep. The Fairbanks North Star Borough dispatches tax bills annually, offering a breakdown of your financial allocations. For those shouldering road maintenance costs within a service area, keep an eye out for the inconspicuous yet telling road service area designation at the bottom of your tax breakdown. If you're pondering, where can I unearth this information without my tax bill in hand? Well, fret not, for the Fairbanks North Star Borough Division of Rural Services has your back with a nifty, interactive map housing all the details you seek. Simply head over to the official website at fnsb.gov/rural services. Alternatively, if diving into online resources isn't your cup of tea, a quick dial to the Division of Rural Services will have you sorted in no time. An essential facet to note is that service areas are under the stewardship of a volunteer commission. These dedicated individuals are local property owners within the service area boundaries, who generously contribute their time to supervise and coordinate maintenance endeavors in the area. Therefore, for any queries or issues, it's imperative to channel your communication towards the Commission. You can find the contact details of Commission members conveniently listed on the Rural Services webpage. Alternatively, a quick call to Rural Services will promptly furnish you with the necessary information. In summary, being aware of how road maintenance is funded and managed in the Fairbanks North Star Borough can help residents understand why certain areas receive maintenance while others do not. By exploring tax breakdowns, engaging with volunteer commissions, and using available resources like the Rural Services webpage, individuals can better navigate the system and advocate for improved road maintenance in their communities. Stay informed, get involved, and make a difference in ensuring well-maintained roads for your local community. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope you found this video insightful and engaging. We also trust that you found value in the content shared, gaining insights on road maintenance in your local area.